to all. Now we are in the continuation of the poem Mending Wall. Let me see the next stanza. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. We wear our fingers rough with handling them. Oh, just another kind of outdoor game. One on a side, it comes to little more. There, where it is, we do not need the wall. He is all pine and I am apple orchard. My apple trees will never get across and eat the cones under his pines. I tell him. He only says, good fences make good neighbors. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. Here, stay where you are. Here, you are. Here, who is that you? Here, you here meaning what? Stay where you are. Who is saying that this line? Robert Frost is saying this line. To whom? To the wall. Stay where you are until we turn away. ഞങ്ങൾ തിരിഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നത് വരെ നീ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ നിൽക്കൂ. നീ താഴോട്ട് വീഴല്ലേ എന്ന് ഇവിടെ ആരോട് പറഞ്ഞു? ഇവിടെ റോബർട്ട് ഫ്രോസ്റ്റ് ആരോടാ പറയുന്നത്? ഇവിടെ ടു ദ വാൾ. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. We wear our fingers rough with handling them. We wear our fingers. Here we. Who is that we? Robert Frost and neighbor. Both are handling the what they have done? They are keeping the stones on the wall to set and to balance. So now their hands are very rough. Now the hands are very rough. Here we wear our fingers rough with handling them. We wear our fingers. Their fingers are very rough. How the fingers are rough? How their hands are rough? By handling the stones. By setting the wall. Can you understand? How their hands are rough? By keeping the stones on the walls. To keep balance. And thus their hands are very rough. Oh, just another kind of outdoor game. Here, keeping the walls is an outdoor game that I have told you in the last class. What I have told you in the last class? Outdoor game means here a game that was playing out the door. Indoor game means the game that was playing inside the door. That is indoor game. Here, oh, that's another kind of outdoor game. ഇത് വേറെ ഒരു outdoor game ആണ്. One on a side, it comes to little more. Both are keeping the stones and making to set the wall. And thus it was coming little more. And thus it was coming little more. The wall was coming little more. That where it is, we do not need the wall. That where it is, we do not need the wall. Who is saying that we don't need the wall? Who is saying like that? Yes, Robert Frost. Robert Frost does not like to have a wall between them. Robert Frost does not like to have a compound wall between the neighbors. But who is saying that to keep a wall, to set a wall? Neighbor. Okay, neighbor he is saying that good fences make good neighbor. What's his idea? Here, good fences make good neighbor. That's a proverb, isn't it? It's a proverb. Good fences make good neighbors. If fence, it will be there. If the fence will be there, what will happen? A good neighbor will be there. If you have a fence, you will have good neighbor. That is the idea. Okay. Here what's given? One on a side, it comes to little more. That where it is, we do not need the wall. Here, Robert Frost is saying that there is no need of a wall. But who is insisting that? Who is saying that there is need of a wall? Neighbor is saying that there is need for a wall. He is all pine and I am apple orchard. Here he has in his field. He is all pine. Here he is all pine. Here meaning in his field, the neighbor field have pine trees. Here the neighbor in the neighbor field, what's have? Pine trees. And I am apple orchard. I am apple orchard here meaning the Robert Frost. In Robert Frost field, what have? Of apple. Okay, apple orchard. So, ഇവിടെ നെയ്ബറിന്റെ സ്ഥലത്ത് പൈൻ മരങ്ങളാണ്. ഇവിടെ റോബർട്ട് ഫ്രോസ്റ്റിന്റെ സ്ഥലത്ത് എന്താണ്? ആപ്പിൾ മരങ്ങളാണ്. ഇവിടെ ഓർച്ചേർഡ് ഹിയർ മീനിങ് വാട്ട് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് ഓർച്ചേർഡ്? തോട്ടം, പഴത്തിന്റെ തോട്ടങ്ങളാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ആപ്പിൾ തോട്ടം. മറ്റാളുടെ പറമ്പിൽ എന്താ ഉള്ളത്? പൈൻ trees. Okay, only have pine trees. He is all pine and I am apple orchard. So here he meaning here who is that? What is the meaning of he? He is neighbor. Here neighbor have what? Pine trees. Pine trees. And here I, who is that I here? Robert Frost. He has apple trees. Okay, he means here neighbor. He has pine trees in his field. And I means here, who is that I in this poem? Robert Frost. Robert Frost, in Robert Frost's field, apple trees are there. He is all pine and I am apple orchard. My apple trees will never get across and eat the cones under his pines. I tell him. I tell him. Who is saying to whom? Robert Frost is saying to the neighbor. What he is saying? What Robert Frost is saying? That all my apple trees will never get across to eat the cones under his pines. എൻ്റെ ആപ്പിൾ മരങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും നിന്റെ ഫീൽഡിലുള്ള ആ കോൺ മരത്തിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലുള്ള ഫ്രൂട്ട്സുകൾ തിന്നാൻ വേണ്ടി വരില്ല എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്. He will never get across to the cone trees. എൻ്റെ ആപ്പിൾ മരങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും നിന്റെ ഫീൽഡിലേക്ക് കടക്കില്ല. It won't come across to the pine trees to eat the cones under his pine. നിന്റെ പൈൻ മരത്തിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലുള്ള എന്താണ് ആ പഴങ്ങൾ കഴിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരിക്കലും എൻ്റെ ആപ്പിൾ ട്രീസ് വരില്ല എന്നവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. Here, that is like here, what is saying? My apple trees will never get across to enter into your field. Okay, my apple trees in the field will never get across to your cone trees in your field. My apple trees will never get across and eat the cones under his pines, I tell him. ഞാൻ അവനോട് പറഞ്ഞു. Who is saying to whom? Robert Frost is saying to whom? Neighbor. He only says what he is saying. What the neighbor attitude? What the attitude of neighbor? Good fences make good neighbors. If you have good fence, if you have wall, that will make good neighbor. നല്ല ഒരു ഫെൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നല്ല ഒരു കോമ്പൗണ്ട് വാൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ എന്തുണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ, നല്ല ഒരു നെയ്ബർ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ ആര് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് വരുന്നത്? That is the neighbor. Can you understand? So what is given here? Stay where you are until our backs are turned. Here both are setting the wall. At that time, here what Robert Frost is saying, stay where you are. Here who is that you? Wall. Robert Frost is speaking to the wall. Stay where you are until we turn away. ഞങ്ങൾ തിരിഞ്ഞിവിടുന്ന് പോകുന്നത് വരെ നീ എന്ത് വേണം? നീ അവിടെ തന്നെ നിൽക്കണം എന്ന് അവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ. Okay. Where we wear our fingers rough with handling them. By handling the stones, by taking the stones, what happened? Their fingers are very rough. Due to setting the wall, by keeping the wall to balance it. It is an outdoor game. It is considered to be the outdoor game. Isn't it? Here the game was out of the door. So that it is considered to be the outdoor game. Another one, what did they said? Here, Robert Frost is saying that there is no need of a wall. He is saying that there is no need for a wall. Why? Why he is saying that there is no need of a wall? Because nature, he liked nature. Nature does not like the separation. So he too doesn't like the separation between the living beings. He doesn't like the separation of living beings. But who is insisting? Who is saying that there is need for a wall? Yes, neighbor. Neighbor need a wall. What he is saying? He is saying that good fences make good neighbor. So if you have a good fence or a good wall, that will make a good neighbor. So that is the proverb, isn't it? It's a proverb. Good fences make good neighbor is a proverb. Here who is saying that it is needed? Here neighbor is saying that it is needed. Here which one is needed? Wall is needed for our good living. Here next one. Spring is the mischief in me. Spring season. It is a mischief in me. ഒരു കുസൃതിയാണ്. ഇവിടെ ആരാണ് ഇവിടെ കുസൃതി ചെയ്യുന്നത്? എന്നിൽ കുസൃതി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ആരാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നേ? Spring season. Here spring is making some mischief in me. Here who is that me? Here me is Robert Frost. And I wonder if I could put a notion in his head. He was thinking why the neighbor was always saying that good fences make good neighbor. Can I change his attitude? Here Robert Frost was thinking that whether can I change his attitude. If I could put a notion in his head. What is the meaning of notion? idea. Okay, notion. Notion here meaning idea. If I could put a notion in his head, can I change his attitude by saying some proverb or any other thing? Can I do like that? If I could put a notion in his head, why do they make good neighbors? Isn't it? Why do they make good neighbors? Where there are cows, but there are no cows. Here, what the neighbor said, there may be some cows that will come to my field from your field. Here, neighbor was saying some silly reasons. Neighbor was saying some silly reasons. And he want to stay in his proverb. And he want to stay in his idea. But this idea was not accepted by Robert Frost. What's his idea? Neighbor's idea? Neighbor's idea was good fences make good neighbor. But it was not accepted by Robert Frost. Here, what he is saying? What the silly things or the naughty things said by neighbor? There may be cows or some other animals that will enter from your field to my field. Sometimes your apple trees will enter into my field. These are the silly things said by whom? That is neighbor. So, here it is not a good thing. It is not a good idea. It is not a good attitude of any person by saying something to make separation. Isn't it? By saying silly things to make them separate. But here, why do they make good neighbors? Why do they make good neighbors? Isn't it? Where there are cows. Where there are cows? There are no cows. Here neighbor said there may be cows or some other animals that will enter into my field to destroy the field. That will destroy the field. Here, that's why he was asking, where there are cows, there are no cows here. There are none other thing to destroy your field. Then what is the need of what? War. Then what is the need of a war? No cows will enter into your field. No, my apple trees will never come into your corn trees or into your field. Then what is the need of a war? Okay, here by saying this portion, I am concluding my lesson. Let me see in the next class. Thank you.